Welcome to Core English, Level 2, Lesson 2. In this lesson, we'll look more closely at the subject in a sentence. You'll learn how to make subjects longer, how to use plural subjects, what nouns are, and how to replace nouns with pronouns. To briefly review, every complete sentence has two parts. 1. The subject, the who or thing the sentence is about. 2. The predicate, what that subject does or is. In these examples, the subject tells the who, place, or thing. The predicate tells what happens or what the subject is. A noun is a word that names a person, a place, or a thing. Every sentence has a subject. It tells the who or thing the sentence is about. While there can be several nouns in a sentence, a noun must appear in the subject because nouns name people, places, and things. For example, in the sentence, "My friend is a teacher," friend is a noun in the subject. There can be more than one noun in the subject. For example, Tom, Betty, and Joan went to the zoo. That's called a compound subject. Two or more people or things doing the same action. Subjects can also be plural, meaning more than one person or thing. For example, the dogs are running. The people can talk. We can replace nouns with pronouns to make sentences sound smoother and avoid repetition. Instead of saying, "Maria is my friend," "Maria works at the shop," we can say, "Maria is my friend. She works at the shop." The word she replaces the noun Maria. Pronouns like he, she, it, we, they take the place of nouns, but still act as the subject. Let's review what we learned today. The subject tells who or what thing the sentence is about. A noun must appear in the subject. Subjects can be single, plural, or compound. Pronouns can replace nouns to make sentences smoother. Every sentence begins with a clear subject. It's the starting point for everything you want to say. Now download your practice sheet for Lesson 2 at our website, coreenglish.org, and do the drills. Practice whenever you can. In the next lesson, we'll move to the other side of the sentence, the predicate, and explore how action words and the addition of time make your sentences come alive. If you have found this video has helped you, then like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.